to replace batteries in your watch, don't go to the jewelry store. Get this Jorest watch replacement kit. Makes changing them really simple. You're going to save a ton of time, a ton of money. Today we're looking at the Jorest watch battery replacement kit. I have two watches and both have had flat batteries. This one here has a back that needs to be pried off. This one here, it needs to be screwed off. So I had to get this kit here to replace the batteries in these watches. In the kit, you do get everything you need to replace both batteries. You don't get the batteries, but you get everything you need to remove the backs and then replace the batteries. You get some spare pins in case your watch is missing some pins. You get a different set of screwdriver pieces. You do get a screwdriver in here as well, like this. You get a pair of tweezers for any little pieces you have to pick out. You get this tool here, which must be for replacing pins, so you can poke the pins out and replace them if needed. You get this, which is going to be used for removing the back that needs to be pried off. The here slots into the slot on the back of the watch, and then you can pry it off. And for the watch that you need to turn the back to remove it so you can replace the battery, you've got this little clamping mechanism here, which when you tighten the screw on the end, this pulls this side in and then clamps the watch in place so it doesn't move when you're going to be turning it. And there's this blue piece here which is going to act as your screwdriver that you're going to use to turn off the back. Now there are two pins here and a wheel in the middle, and when you turn this, they adjust. We can get them smaller, or we can go the other way and make them larger. Side and slot it in, so the slot's here. Come in at the same angle as that, and carefully, it's like shucking an oyster. You don't want to be too vicious, and then just wiggle it in until you hear a click, and the back pops off. Now I'm just going to turn it to the left to loosen it off. Now this is a little bit tight, but there we go, it's starting to turn now. Need to replace batteries in your watch, don't go to the jewelry store. Get this Jorest watch replacement kit. Makes changing them really simple. You're going to save a ton of time, a ton of money,